Hey there. So there's a lot of really cool ways you can control the layout and make a letterhead and do other types of formatting on Knuula. So I'm going to show you a good example with by doing a letterhead. So right here I have my template, and you probably want something up at the top like your logo and maybe your address or something cool like that. Not hard to do. So I'm going to go ahead and enter down one line. Actually, I'll get rid of this, toss it in here. There we go. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is over here on layout and design effects, I want to show grid lines. So if you see, when I did that, now you can see all these dotted lines in the background. So I'll get rid of them so you can see it again. There we go. So these are grid lines. They're all over your document and they control the layout. It's pretty sweet. So I can go here and just hover over these corners, here or here, and I can completely resize this element. Yeah, maybe I want it to be like this. Perfect. So now I have this section over here. I'm going to go and put a picture there. I'm going to drag it in, drop it. Wonderful. And now I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to make it my Knuula logo. Excellent. Now I'm going to select just this little area, and I want to align this, make it horizontal flex, and align it to the right. There we go. And over here, I want this to say my firm's name. So, it's my great accounting firm. And I want to select this little area. I'm going to resize this. I'll make the font bigger, of course. Make it bold and italics. My great accounting firm. Maybe make it like a light black. Awesome. So now I'm also going to highlight this section right here. I can just click on this row. And I'm going to increase the padding, make some space above and below it. So I'm going to put 16 there, 16 there. That looks pretty good. All right, so now this one I want to scoot it down also. I don't want it to be so close to the top. So I'm going to put a big old piece of padding in there. Do 36. Also want to make this look a little nicer. So we can go ahead and make it bigger font. Do the same thing. Excellent. All right, and so underneath this, I want to put our address. I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to put new subsection. Actually, I could copy this one, but I'm going to do a new one. So there's a new one. And this one also has those boxes just like the one before. So just say you want to get rid of those completely. So I can take this right here, and I can just drag it across all of them. And now it's going to clear out that whole entire row, and so now it's kind of a blank slate. Now, if I want to make it back, I can scoot it over, and it's going to make one box right there, just like all these other ones. And if I do it again, it's going to make this area over here, this area over here, and this area over here. And say, actually, I want to go maybe do this. I'm going to resize it a little bit. Maybe I want to put something there. And over here, I want to put another picture. I want to put our company address. So I'm going to put another picture field in there. I'm also going to make this one horizontal flex. I'm going to align it to the right. Now I'm going to open up this picture, and I'm going to go find, let's see, Engagement Letter LLC. There it is. So this is a letterhead picture that I've made somewhere else. Make it a little bit bigger. Excellent. And then here, maybe I want to put let's do a link. How about a link? Actually, no, I want to put a link over here. Resize this. Toss a link in here. Make it so my clients can click on this and go to my website or something like that. My website. So that's the name, but I'm not going to put something different for the URL. The client doesn't need to see that. Knuula.com. Awesome. And make that bigger as well. So do bold. There we go. Awesome. So now the clients can click that and go direct to my website. And you can do the same thing as well. So got all that done. I'm going to go to layout controls again. And I'm going to get rid of the grid lines. So now you can just see it as a blank document. And there you go, ta-da. And so we're gonna take it one final step farther, so just hold on real quick. This looks great, you like it, save it. I'm gonna go open up another template and bring that into it. So I'm gonna go find, let's do example document. I wonder what this one is. All right, it's got all kinds of stuff in there. I'm gonna turn off my brackets real quick, and I'm also gonna hide those subsections. Okay, so this is some kind of client questionnaire. I want to put my letterhead onto this one as well. So I'm going to go and do import right here. And then here's this template I was just working in. Click on that one. And I can just go and drag this in. Make sure you hover over the actual paragraphs with your mouse. And then drop it. There it is. That's that letterhead. And I'm going to drop this line in there too. And then this one, let's see how that looks. So get out of there. So now I can get rid of this client questionnaire. Let's put back on section hierarchy so I can see these. Hide this. Turn this into client questionnaire. Client questionnaire. 1R. And there you go. So now I pulled this letterhead into this other template. So I can use it on this one. I can do the same thing with another one, and so on and so forth. And that's layouts, that's sizing, and that's how you can kind of control all kinds of cool stuff in your templates. I hope that helps.